All right, we're gonna describe how we pack our 2.5 pre-connected Minuteman load. It's 200 feet. So right now we've got all 4 50-foot sections of 2.5. You can see we've got 2 right here with the male end, 2 right here with the female end, and they're all already rolled and drained and headed out all in the same direction. Then we've also lined up our hose pack for the truck right next to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pack. This one's marked with tape. Some of them are marked with paint, just as far as where that's marking where the inlet is actually going to come in. So the first thing that we're going to pack is our supply side. So we're going to go ahead and have our firefighters come in and start packing that. We grab the first 50-foot section with the female end. We go right to that hose mark. And as you can see, we put that little turn right there on that pack, and we're going to go ahead and start packing our first side. Supply side always sits on the same side. And you're just going to keep going and laying on top of it. And we're making sure we get those good, nice, tight hose lay in there. Really important to make sure that we're getting our hose all the way to the edge. We're using up the whole tray. So we're filling up our whole supply side, which is 100 feet of 2.5-inch hose on the supply end. And once that's there, we're just going to go ahead and fold over the male end on top. And now what's important on this, the male end is actually going to flop out opposite of where our supply was in. So our supply's on this side. The nozzle is right there, and like Captain Scavo's showing enough so we can actually have that nozzle flop over the top. We'll even pull in just a little bit more. Okay. There you go. That's good. And then we're going to leave a tab on this end, so if we need to pull from the opposite side, we know which side we can grab from. And that just demarks which side is our attack side and which side is our supply, so which side would have our nozzle. And then it's just the same process. We're going to fill the tray on the attack side with 100 feet for a total of 200 feet on our 2.5 pre-connected Minuteman load. The female end of that comes up to the top. We go ahead and make those connections. And then we pull that whole section back so it's back towards the middle of the tray and away from the nozzle. There we go. Now we go ahead and connect the nozzle. And that just gets pinned in on the top. And that's how you pack the 2.5 Minuteman load.